What is up, everyone? It's Ella Black Star, aka DBS. So for today's video, I just want to show you how I wrap my hair. So if you're curious to know how I wrap my hair, just keep on watching. What you need is a hair net. This is, I don't know if it's called a hair net. This is how I call it. So if I'm wrong, just let me know. This is a hair net. And you need a comb. A little backstory, back when I was young, we used to have hair nets, redecillas. I'm Dominican, that's how we used to call them. I still call them redecillas, but you would need bobby pins with the old redecillas. Now with the new technology, I call it new technology because if it's something new, it's a new technology. You don't need bobby pins, and I discovered that 3-4 years ago. Because I saw one of my students, she walked in with her hair wrapped. And I'm like, hey, I didn't know they sell those wrappers. Like, miss, yeah, they do. It's been a while that they've been in the market. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. It's very quick. You do this before you go to bed and also when you take a shower or you bathe. So that way your hair doesn't get wet. So the first thing that you will be needing is a comb. I'm itchy, I don't know why. The redecilla, the hair net, and also a do-rag. This depends on your hair, whether you prefer to use this or not. What I do is I just comb through my hair first. And then once it's combed, you just throw your hair to the front, like so. And you brush it as well. And then what you do is, see, before you would do this back then, I'm pretty sure still some people do it. You know, you take the bobby pin, blah, blah, but I don't do that because I have this hair net that does it for me. I'm terrible at explaining, so I'll just show you what I do. This is what I do. I open it and then just put it over my head this way, the back of my head, bring it forward. And then you just start moving the hair towards one direction, but you keep it tugged in, the rest of the hair, as you continue to move. And just tug in back those hairs. My hair net is kind of ratchet right now. It's like, it's unknitted, I guess. Because I think that's how they do it, they knit. Okay, so this is how I do it. It's very simple. It doesn't even take a minute to do it. And then with the do-rag, basically you take the do-rag, put it on your head. You tie the ends. You lift this up because you don't want like marks appear on your skin. You tie it. You can do whatever you want. I usually make a little bow. Another bow. Another bow. It depends on how you do it. And then I usually tug it inside here. And then this, I don't leave it hanging, so I just tuck it inside. This, hopefully you guys can see that. And that's it. This is how I show you on the back. This is how I wrap my hair. And that completes this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Even though I feel like I didn't do a great job explaining, yet I am a teacher. How does that happen? But then again, this is not a teaching channel, so if you're a visual learner just like me, I think you guys got the gist of how to wrap your hair. It's very simple. All you need is the hair wrap, the comb, and then a do-rag if you feel comfortable wearing one. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me and I would appreciate it. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Join the family. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for all the support that you guys give me. If you have any video requests, please drop them on the comments below. If you want to say something, just drop it on the comments below and I'll get back to you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.